Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to select all the text in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. I'll select whole text document in this PDF file. So we'll click on this PDF file and press Ctrl A from your keyboard and see this. All of this text now selected. See this. Now click right button on your mouse. You can copy or copy with formatting. I'll copy. Select this one and I will paste this Word document. Press Ctrl B for our keyboard and see this. All of this text now copy. See this last page text and this first title heading and this is heading and see this. In this you can select all of this text in your PDF file. Also you can select a specific text, click the selection option and select. See this. Also you can copy this formatting and so on. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.